What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Show.
And Frank.
PROMOSTK.
Eating good neighborhood.
You guys, I made some of my very own Puerto Rican chicken rice. Okay? Y'all gotta check out how I made it because, I can't wait to get into this. So, my husband gonna bless the food. Show your plate, baby, because you got two leg quarters in her.
Them little big things. Shut up.
No, I want you to show
your
plate.
Just trying to be dumb.
Oh, I'll hold your plate up there and let it be, But you gotta hold it still, baby.
Shut up.
You're not a professional like me.
Girl, if you don't shut your mouth.
Go up a little more.
That's good.
All you need is one hand, baby.
Shut up. Stop doing you just running your mouth. That's good.
Okay. Put your head down, Frank. That's better.
Girl, you...
We'll see if that's going to be good like the one.
Oh, Lord have mercy, Jesus.
Anyway, bless food, baby.
Father, we thank you for this food about to receive. We thank you for last night rest, Heavenly Father. Thank you for allowing us to see a day we never seen before, Heavenly Father. Bless the hand that prepares food. Let this food nourish my body. Bless the ones that don't have, Heavenly Father. Bless the ones in the hospital, nurse home. Bless the ones in uniform, Heavenly Father. Our certain men and women, Heavenly Father. Bless us. Well, we can be a blessing to others. In Jesus' name we pray, amen.
Amen.
Time to eat.
Amen.
I'm excited. Let me see what this girl talking about. Let me see what all this red stuff. What is all that?
It's a lot of stuff. Guess you gotta watch my video.
You got a lot of stuff,
and what it all went in it.
We too close.
Okay. Oh, let me get y'all some. I'm so sorry.
She greedy.
Get some. Oh, y'all got some too. Okay.
That girl got. Don't be on no
This is good.
I had rice and be up there.
They grab some.
Yeah, you start, you got there yet.
This is good. Very good. Let me get into this chicken, y'all. Yeah, see what's in here.
Greedy. You probably ain't let that chicken cook about 10 minutes.
Give y'all some of that chicken. Okay. And the season is popping, y'all.
That may not be no darn jalapeno you got, huh?
Baby, those are bell peppers.
It's not hot, though.
Yeah, it's something hot in there.
I know. That's why we're going.
But in there, I have the tomatoes, crushed tomatoes with the chilies in it. And I also put some red pepper flakes.
Oh, shoot.
But, And you can definitely taste those green olives. It's really good. I guess it gives it what that authentic Puerto Rican flavor. Y'all tell me. So y'all see I made 2 pans. Well, the pans are small, Frank.
Nobody boys come in pan is small. This enough for a small pan.
Because each pan only could hold 4 leg quarters.
Lord Jesus.
And you got 2. I got 1. And then T-shirt probably get the other one that's in there. So I got another pan. It's got 4 more. So it's like 2 separate meals.
Mm-hmm.
Get that chicken, y'all. Get some of that chicken. Look at that. Yes. Mm-hmm. 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 Y'all go check out my recipe, y'all. Y'all see exactly what I'm putting here. It's chicken. And that bone like a bone, y'all. That skin. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's very good. Mm-hmm. 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 I must say, my appetite must be kind of coming back because I feel like I can eat all of them, no problem. No problem. Full of flavor, y'all. Full of flavor. So I hope everybody having a beautiful, blessed day.
I miss girlfriend.
Y'all know my thighs are my favorite. Besides the wings, the flat parts of the wings, my thighs are my favorite. And yeah, this was quick and easy to make, y'all. Quick and easy.
I didn't want that easy. That quick now.
It was quick and easy to make. You gotta let it cook. I'm just saying, as far as to make it and put it together, preparation wise, it's simple. I mean, I went step by step. And you had no hand. Very flavorful.
Or move like it too.
Oh, God. I don't know why I never made this before. I don't know why. I don't know what made me want to. I don't know what made me want to make a Puerto Rican dish, y'all. But I saw eating with Rossi. She made some mofongo.
Some what?
Mofongo. Remember I was telling you about it? It's out of plantain, but it's a savory. And all of a sudden, I saw a recipe for mofongo. I'm like, what? You know, these phones are very smart. They see you look at a video that's got something in it, and like the same day you see a video that show you how to make it. Mofongo. Now she was eating it with her shrimp when she did the shrimp and ain't easy challenge by the both eyes and shag for short. And the bone. Man, look at me, y'all. You got a large family, you can make this right here, and y'all will satisfy everybody's needs. Mm-hmm.
I got plenty leg quarter. Long got plenty leg quarter.
Yep. We had a 10-pound leg quarters, and I did 2 gallon bags. This gallon bag I marinated in the refrigerator had 8 leg quarters in it. The other one gotta have about the same amount in there. Mm-hmm. That's real good. Mm-hmm. And you don't need nothing else on it. But of course, you got seasoning. Seasoning as per your taste. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Y'all some of this. And y'all taking it too, I see. You're welcome. And if y'all were just vegetarian or vegan or whatever, just don't add the chicken. But this chicken is popping, y'all.
Hopping and hopping and snapping.
Hey, y'all. Clean the bone, clean the bone. Clean the bone, clean. Y'all continue to send prayers. We love prayers. Y'all, I've been watching some awesome movies. Oh my goodness.
Stop.
On Netflix. And on YouTube. There's free movies. What's it on? Lifetime? Black.
Black who?
Single black female.
Oh.
It was so good. Oh my goodness. It's a thriller, y'all. Look. Single black female. Element. Espresso.
It's as simple as it is complicated. It is my job to keep my people safe. None of you have any to know.
And it's a shame because when I get on here to tell y'all what I've been watching, I can't remember the names of them. Y'all just go. If y'all have a Netflix account,
I break your neck. I break your neck. I bring you on, my boy. Woo!
you broke that bone, baby.
I run the net off.
Mm-hmm. Y'all want some more? Okay, here. I got plenty for y'all. Mm-hmm. It's really good. Got plenty for y'all. Mm-hmm. I want to continue to thank y'all for doing our challenges. We've been having fun watching y'all do them, and we've been having fun doing y'all challenges too. I must say, this is the first time I completed my meal.
I don't know.
I think I'm trying to get my appetite back.
All right. You ain't never lost your appetite for stop.
I want to get back to normal. I feel myself filling up now, but how much I eat though? Yeah. I don't know.
Dang, that little thing's been eating today. Damn.
More room in the end.
She getting back to normal, yep.
Nah, I belch now. I ain't no high
Oh,
belch.
yeah.
I watched this one movie. What was it? Daughter of the Wolf. And it was really good, y'all. It was really good. And it was a free movie on YouTube. And I'm trying to think, what was the other? I was watching them back between watching y'all videos and going through watching the movies. I just be boom, 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 boom. I be all over the place, y'all.
She sure do. Yeah, I hate to say it, I'm killing this chicken.
Do what?
I'm killing it. I'm killing this chicken.
I thought I already killed it. I didn't think it was still alive.
I'm devouring it. I'm destroying it.
The chicken. There you go.
Anybody want some real dollar? Anybody want a little dollar? One named Bella. Got the female. One named Junior. Named after daddy. Bunch of Junior. And the other one, we had to give him a name, a color name. He red.
He never had a name. He was just a name on his collar. When he came out his money. He never got a name, but Red just stuck to him, right?
Stuck to him like super glue.
I don't see you calling him nothing else but Red.
Red.
I wish I could have some of this.
They can have some. I ain't gonna tell you how.
Half right.
That's what I ain't gonna tell you.
I ate all my food.
Dang, girl, I can't believe it.
I know, right? Well, I didn't have as much as you, but
Y'all don't even, you always do that. Want to pile my darn plate up, think I'm a darn
no,
hog.
you say you want 2 pieces.
No,
of
you do it. I ain't
corn.
done that now.
I only had One.
Mm-hmm. She wanted two though.
Hey, all my food, y'all.
That don't mean you're gonna get a prize now.
I should get a prize. Hey, all my food. And I
What kind?
rice up there. What kind of prize should I get?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can get me a
That's funny.
Yeah, for some reason I've been having a taste for almond joy.
Girl, if you don't be quiet,
Remember I told about that?
I'm gonna enjoy your game.
What's that song? What's that song?
Sometimes you feel like a nut.
Yeah. Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. Almond joy that nut. Mounds don't, because sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't.
They don't do all that now.
Yes, it do.
Not the way you doing it.
Well, yeah, just like that.
Look now.
I'm full now, y'all. Oh, excuse me. Whew, that was a lot. Whew.
We ain't tried it yet, have you?
Yeah.
I haven't.
I don't know what you waiting
I've been
for.
pleased to let her sit down.
Yeah, I will. Okay, I hate when y'all get meat stuck in y'all teeth. I get my toothpick. Thank you. I hope y'all enjoyed our meal. And if you guys like making Puerto Rican dishes, or if you're Puerto Rican and you got a dish you want us to make besides this one, hit me up in the comment section below. I'm thinking about getting some plantains. I've never made any plantains myself. My daughter, she has. I know there's two different types of plantains. There's one that's a savory, and the one that's more riper is a more sweeter one. Like you can do like for dessert or something. It's more sweet, like a banana, which makes sense. The riper it gets, the sweeter it gets, just like an actual banana too. So, what's this? So, if y'all haven't already, y'all know what to do. Subscribe to our channel and check our playlist, because we have a playlist out there that has all the challenges that we have created. Now, there was another challenge that I had created and we haven't done on camera yet. It's gonna probably be coming up in March, because I originally wanted to do it for February, but you know, with me having been in a hospital, and I just, you know, kind of got backed up on stuff I needed to do on my channel. So, with that being said, challenge will be coming out in March. Y'all know we had the You're My Honey Bunch challenge that came out the first of this year, January 2022. So if y'all have not done You're My Honey Bunch challenge, yay! Y'all check it out and do it. Yeah, check it out and do it. And if y'all haven't done the Make Your Dog Happy challenge, because I know a lot of people still haven't done it. But if you haven't done it and you like a hot dog, or a veggie dog, or a sausage dog, or whatever kind of dog you want, buying a dog, just put it on a bun, or make up whatever bun you want to put it on. It's your creativity, your channel. And just do the rules, and you'll be good. And I'm sharing all my videos. It doesn't matter if you complete the challenge. It's the fact that you do it. You get on my community posts. I do share you out on my social media sites. So just the fact you tried it, to do it, is awesome for us. Yes, because we get to see you guys, you know, and we get to share you guys out. And yeah, more eyes on you, more eyes on you. So yeah. Don't feel like, oh, I can't eat a hot dog, or I can't do it. Guess what? Just do the challenge. We're gonna put you on our community post just for the fact of the love. So, like, share, comment, subscribe. That's all you gotta do. PROMOSTK.
Eating good neighborhood.
PROMOSTK.
Eating good neighborhood.
Eating Puerto Rican food.
Eating good neighborhood.
First time eating Puerto
Eating
Rican
good
food.
neighborhood.
PROMOSTK. In the neighborhood.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Where my oh yeah, baby?
Where my oh yeah baby's at? Oh yeah. Where my oh yeah baby's at? Where you at? Oh yeah, baby. And love, 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 love.
Bro, you better stick that in your mouth now.
Bye.
Huh?
See you in the next video. See, I'm wearing my hair natural, y'all. Yeah. What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Shala and Frank. Come on over and check out our channel, PromoSTK Reality TV, Husband and Wife, where we eat good in the neighborhood. We're a mukbang eating show, cooking and recipes, especially soul food, pranks on Frank. Oh, y'all go check it out. Challenges, vlogs, comedy skits, short videos, and TikTok. So come on and become our oh yeah baby today. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, PromoSTK, or you can also go to any of our social sites and find us under PromoSTK. Oh yeah, baby. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to meet you. So come on over.